Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Pranati, currently studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering in the Department of CSC Data Science. Today we are learning an important topic in Principles of Programming using C. The topic is null pointers. Let us go to the contents. The contents are introduction, pointers, null pointers, explanation of null pointers, uses of null pointer, conclusion. Pointers. Pointer is a variable whose value is the address of another variable of the same type. The value of the variable that the pointer points to be dereferencing using the star operator. The different types of pointers are void, null, wild, near, far, huge. A pointer can be typecasted to different data types. Null pointers. In C, a null pointer is a variable that has no valid address and is allocated to 0 or null. Normally, the null pointer does not point to anything. Null is a macro constant defined in several header files in the C programming language. It includes stereo.h. For example, we use hash include stereo.h. We use the main function called as int main, and then int star operator ptr is equal to null. It will print the value of the pointer assigned. Null pointers in C and syntax of null pointers. An integer constant expression with the value 0 or such an expression cast to type void star is called a null pointer constant. If a null pointer constant is converted to the pointer type, the resulting pointer called a null pointer is guaranteed to compare unequal to a pointer to any object or function. Syntax of null pointer declaration in C. Type pointer name is equal to null. Type pointer name is equal to 0. We just have to assign the num value. Strictly speaking, null expands to an implementation defined null pointer constant which is defined in many header files such as stereo.h, etc. Uses of null pointer in C language. Mainly null pointer, it is used to initialize a pointer variable when that pointer variable hasn't been assigned any valid memory address yet. It is used to check for a null pointer before assigning any pointer variable. By doing so, we can perform error handling in pointer related code. For example, dereference a pointer variable only if it's not a null pointer. It is used to pass a null pointer to a function argument when we don't want to pass any valid memory address. A null pointer is used in data structures like linked lists, etc. This is an example of a program using null pointer. A C program to create, initialize, assign, and access a pointer variable. In this program, we mainly use hash include stereo.h. We use a main function called as int main. We assign the pointer such as int number is equal to declaration of a integer variable, and number is equal to 100, assigning 100 to variable number. Access value and address using variable number. Here we use printf. It will print the value of number and address of number. It will access the value and address using pointer variable n. Then the output of this program is with using variable number and using the pointer variable. Value of the number is 100 and address of the number is 2764564284 and so on. Then the conclusion of the null pointers is, in C programming language, a null pointer is a pointer which is a variable with the value assigned as 0 or having an addressing pointing to nothing. So we use keyword null to assign a variable to be a null pointer in C. It is predefined macro, and we should note that once the data is not in use, the memory allocated to it must be freed, else it will again lead to a dangling pointer. And also note that never declare any pointer without assigning null, because the program when executes it throws an error during runtime. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Thank you.